From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, Primate Ayodele, the leader of the Inri Evangelical Spiritual Church on Friday, named the church building and a music studio after Governor Adeleke of Osun State and Nigerian Afrobeat singer Gov Adeleke, better known as Davido. Reports added that the naming of the two projects followed Governor Adeleke's groundbreaking of construction of a music studio and a church building on Friday, February 14th in Lagos State, Nigeria. Speaking at the annual church Thanksgiving service, the primate said he would name the music studio and the church building after Nigeria's popular music icon, Gov Adeleke and Governor Adeleke, respectively. At the event, Governor of Anambra State, Charles Soludo, represented by his Chief of Staff, Ernest Eze-Ajugi, former minority leader of the Nigerian Senate, Abiodun Olujimi, and other spiritual leaders were all present to grace the occasion. The renowned cleric, however, admonished Governor Soludo to commission the newly built church bakery. During the commissioning, Primate Ayodele promised that the bread would be sold at an affordable price, given the current situation of the country. The pastor, in his philanthropic nature, extended a hand of support to some vulnerable persons and issued an award of excellence to some distinguished individuals. While this has sparked reactions online, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.